Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys voice assistant setting, how to on and how to activate voice assistant in Infinix mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, how to turn on voice assistant setting. Open your phone system setting. After your phone system setting, friends, you can use phone language, date and time setting, backup setting, reset option setting, and system navigation. So friends, where is voice assistant setting? So let's open your phone system navigation setting, and you can use gesture settings, and you can use 3 button navigation. Friends, you want to remove your screen 3 button navigation, click here. You can use 3 button navigation, and you can use gesture settings. And you want to remove gesture settings, you want to on 3 button navigation. So friends, click here. Friends, click here more setting. You can change your button layout style. Voice assistant setting. How to activate voice assistant? Press and hold the home button to activate voice assistant. So friends, press and hold home button. Press and hold. Hello Google. So friends, you are offline, so you cannot use voice assistant setting on Wi-Fi. After connect Wi-Fi guys, again press and hold home button. Hello Google.
Hello there.
So like that friends, you can use voice assistant setting in your Infinix mobile. And friends, if you off, so friends you cannot activate voice assistant if you press and hold home button. So like that friends, you can use voice assistant settings. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.